In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the purchase was declined error on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. This error usually happens because of bank security checks, incorrect payment details, or mismatched billing information, not because your card is invalid. Now, if you want to fix the purchase was declined issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by checking your card details carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV, and cardholder name are entered correctly. It's best to re-enter them manually instead of using autofill. Next, confirm the transaction with your bank. Log into your banking app or contact your bank to approve the payment. Enable online or international transactions and remove any temporary blocks. After that, check your billing address. It must match your bank records exactly, including street name, postal code, and country. Even small differences can cause a decline. Then, log in again to your account on Etsy and retry the purchase. Also, disable any VPN or proxy before trying again, since location mismatches can trigger payment security blocks. Using a stable home or mobile network helps avoid issues. Keep in mind that repeated failed attempts can temporarily block your card, so fix the issue first before retrying. That's it. By correcting your details, confirming with your bank, and avoiding security triggers, you can quickly fix the purchase was declined error and complete your order successfully.